What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with Fun Monkey Horror. Dang, that one's full. This one's full. But this, bleh.
Well, hi guys. Oh, no. Guys, do you want to go to the Hey, everybody! Hey, everybody! I'm gonna go to Death Town.
Bro, what are they yapping about?
Guys, everybody, let's go to DevTown.
Oh, they're going to
No, let's
DevTown.
go to run.
They're all in DevTown? Bet.
No!
What are y'all doing? Don't be
back.
scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm gonna go get the monster.
I have light vision on though.
Nope, I made him
You can
unstuck.
go in
I made
every
him
map
unstuck. I
except
made him
place,
unstuck.
'cause
I made
if
him
you go
unstuck.
in the map place after getting the light vision, well, you would spawn out of the map.
Who is an OG?
And I'm not an OG.
I am. I
mean,
remember when
one
we were
time
just
I got
gorillas
this
and
game
the
before
normal
it
gorilla
even
tag
had
map,
this-
but like
Before it even had this map, and I barely even knew how to join the server. I played the old version of this game once, but I barely knew how to join a server. I barely knew how to join a server. Like, yeah, I barely knew. Where are y'all?
I remember there used to be 2 gorilla monsters. There used to be 2 of them. But it's just
Yeah,
one.
but wait, are you a booster?
Yeah.
Where's that booster person?
I don't know. Oh.
What? What mod menu are you using?
The $20, like the one on the very end.
Okay. The $25 menu?
Yeah.
Okay. My dream mod menu is a $10 one. I have never had a mod menu.
For sometime you can get yours like by doing Applied mods.
The cheapest mod menu, the one for $10. And the estimated tax as 86 currency. Yes, 86 cents. That's my dream mod menu.
Now where do you want to go?
Wait, look, am I fast enough for one, Red? Am I fast enough for one?
No, not at all.
Oh.
So like the monster's like
One
this
is like
fast.
faster than that.
The monster's like really fast. Yeah, I guess if you should like stay back. So yeah, y'all should like stay back. Like the monster's like really fast. It's like this fast.
Faster than Speed Boost?
No, not faster, but close to that.
I am faster. I'm fast. Hey guys.
Tiptoe through
Who's
the
this?
My arms aren't that long. It's like this long. My arms are like this long.
tiptoe.
Y'all don't know how short my arms are. You don't even know how
Bro,
short
I'm like
my
4'3".
arms
That's why I use long arms.
Yo, green. Yo, green. Yo, green. 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 Race me.
You're 4'3",
Oh,
damn.
you're
That's
using
ridiculous.
mods. I ain't.
Which map do y'all
No,
want to
you
go
are.
to?
It's okay to use mods. There's
Okay,
mods
yeah,
in
but
this
no
game.
mods this time. Look.
Yeah, it's also
My
fun.
actual dream mod menu is the mod
Yeah,
menu
okay,
for
run.
$15.
Bro, you're modding. No, I'm not. I'm just fast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gotta do like a certain movement. Yo, bro, you want to race? Yo, bro, you want to race? Yo, you want to race?
Yeah.
All right, go do this. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
POV that one person. Guys,
Done.
look, I'm just
You
this
started
good.
first, cheater. I'm back.
How?
That one person.
How did I cheat?
Guys,
All right,
I
do
got
it
my
again.
light vision.
Do it
got
again
my
if I really
light
cheated.
vision.
Do it again. Do it again if I really cheated, bro.
Did.
3,
Wait.
2.
Wait.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Look, I can do this.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're using
you
me,
lost.
bro.
You're bad. You're bad. You're bad.
I said a race, not a car. Not a race
No,
with
no.
cars, bro.
No, I'm
Goofy.
racing. Look.
That is not a race. That's, bro, you're literally using banana car. This ain't no GTA 5, bro.
This is GTA 6, actually.
GTA 6. That's just enough.
So good.
Which map do y'all want to go to?
I wanna.
Alright, bet.
I
Yo, what's good, my fellow monkers?
Hello? No, there is. Hello?
Yeah, they're in one map. I don't know which map they are. Wait, do I still have my med
Hello?
mode?
One map. Hello? Okay.
Skibbity bop bop bop.
Yo, where's everyone at?
Daisy. They're all in run.
Oh, just skibbity bop bop.
Daisy.
What are you?
We're all in run.
We're right here.
Wait.
Where you at?
Okay, wait. I wanna race you. See if I've gotten
Yo,
fast.
Red.
I'm so
What was that for, man?
Still, I wanna
What was that
race
for?
you.
What was that for, man?
Really?
Okay,
What's that?
what the? Okay,
Yeah,
here
what's
to
that?
there. I'll give you a 2
Hop,
seconds.
two.
A 1 second head start. 3.
You.
Go. One.
You.
My brother almost broke his monitor.
Right here, right
Stinky.
here. Just stay right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Better no clip.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's
go.
go to Weird Maze. Let's go to Weird Maze. Easy run. Easy. Bro, this kid has mods.
Okay.
Easy run.
Okay, guys. We'll see who's faster. See who's the fastest.
Guys, go
involved.
at night.
No, bro. There's no,
Give him a 1 second head start. Give him a 1 second head start. 3,
3,
Let's go to Weird Maze. Let's go to
1,
Weird
go.
Maze.
Hello.
1.
Easy run.
Nah, that was me.
Hello.
Go to Weird Maze. Weird Maze.
What do we
No,
make?
yeah, let's go Weird Maze. Let's go Weird Maze.
Whoa.
Let's go free.
Weird Maze?
Let's free Freddy Gat
Some
Bear.
people are.
Hello? Freddy Gat Bear, he spawned
Yo,
in
I'm outside the wrong
downstairs.
map. Yo, I'm outside the wrong
Oh,
map.
you gotta rejoin. Rejoin then. You gotta rejoin.
Guys, I'm outside the wrong map.
Yeah, you have to rejoin.
No, I'm not rejoining. Bro, Fun Monkey Horror, fix your game.
Then that's all you, dumbass.
Fix your game. Bro,
I'm a pancake.
this game.
I'm a pancake.
This is your game. I'm tired of just going into the wrong map the whole time. Oh, doggy, who's sleepy? Who's a sleepy doggy? Oh, the sleepy doggy. One Skibidi. Era mangor e la cascara. That was you.
But I'm trying to like. Wait,
Bro,
guys,
we're-
I'm gonna practice.
Guys, we're all in maze. We're all in maze.
Oh, fuck.
Guys, we're all in maze.
Oh, they're all in
Put some
place?
people in
No, we're all in
Put some
maze.
people-
No, we're all in
Oh,
maze.
maze!
Yeah.
What maze?
This.
The one that says maze, you numbnut.
Because of
It's a map, you numbnut.
Hello?
Ooh, ha, ha, ha. We're all in
Hi,
weird
Red,
place.
Hi, Red.
We're all in weird
Whoa!
maze.
I swear there were some people in.
And then I got out again.
Guys, this is the map with maze.
I'm out the map. Yo, I'm outside
Was
the
that
map.
the monster?
Hey, I'm outside the map. Yeah, I know.
Freddy.
Come on, Freddy.
I dare you to touch him. I dare you to touch.
One monkey horror. Fix your game. Fix